Hey guys, it's Really Raelle here today, and so today we are back at the horse farm. And so today we just heard that there's a new little baby horse. We're gonna go check up on the new baby horse because we don't know what it looks like. I'm so excited. And if you guys saw my last video about all the horses, you would see that the mama was pregnant, and now we're gonna go check up on the baby that she just had. I'm like, a baby! It's so, oh my gosh, so cute, because like babies are so small. Like they're so small. And then we're also going to be going looking at the 3 months old and also the adults Arabian horses. And pygmy goats and fainting goats.
And here's Larry. Hi buddy, how are you? How are ya? Is it hot today? Is it hot today? Yeah. I know. Oh. You like a neck rub, don't ya? Yes, you do. You itchy? Should I scratch ya? Huh? Should I scratch ya? You're just loving that, aren't ya? Yeah. Wagging your tail. Aww. Alright guys, let's go see what surprises are in the barn. Remember the little guys that were born in March? Here they are. The pygmy goats. Hi. And the pretty fainting goats, they're eating. So we'll just leave them alone. They're hungry. Yeah. Are you hungry? They're eating good. They're eating good. There's the mama. There she is. And there's her baby. Just 1 day old. Yes, it's such a beautiful baby. She's so pretty. Or he's so pretty, that's right. He's a boy. Yeah, look at that guy. How did you fit that guy in your belly? Huh? Yeah. You make good eye contact, yeah. Yes, you do. Hi. Oh. And here are some goats that are eating. Hi, look at your pretty blue eyes. Yeah. How are you? And there's some more horses. How are you girls today? There's the 3. Yeah. Oh. So soft. Hi. So pretty. Yeah. Are you eating now too? Eat some yum-yums. Huh. Yeah. How fuzzy the ears are. Do you guys see the fur? Yeah, there's fur. Oh, your ears are furry too. Yes, they are. The inside of your ears are. You guys have some fuzzy ears on the inside. Yeah. Are you eating too? Hi. Hi. How are you? Am I interrupting your dinner? Am I interrupting dinner time? Huh? Hey, leave me alone. I'm trying to eat. And I'm itchy. Yeah, you itchy. You have a messy face. Look at her itching like a doggy or a kitty cat. Yeah, you're scratching like a kitty cat does. That's so cute. Those horns. Wow. Those are some big horns. Yes, they are.
Mama.
What'd you say?
He's soft.
Aww. Yeah, you got your mommy protective instinct on. Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
That would be like the horse that I would.
Oh, I love how close the baby just stays. Yeah, baby's just real close and snuggled up to you. Isn't she? Yeah. Can I get that hair out of your eye? Come here, baby.
Hay.
Can I get your hay? Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Can I get this? Thank you. See, I got this off of you. Yeah.
That would be the horse that I would want.
Baby miniature horse.
Yeah. Like not to ride, but like just like play around with.
To love?
Mm-hmm.
Aw.
It's so small.
Yeah. Beautiful. I'm wondering if she's going to nurse. I'm waiting to see if she's getting ready to nurse. There she goes. Or there he goes. Yeah, he's hungry now. Mommy, I want to nurse.
She sucks her belly up.
Oh, so yeah, so the baby can reach better. Oh. Oh. So precious. So precious. Yes. So beautiful. Are you done? Oh, no. You want some more mommy milk. Yeah, more mommy milk. It's so precious. Appaloosa.
We didn't get any color, but he could come over as he gets older. Next
Aw.
spring he might shed out with spots.
Yeah. Wow.
You guys have other Arabian horses?
Arabians. All
Oh,
of
there's-
them are involved in people.
Is that what you want to go see next?
Yeah.
You want to see the Arabian horse bask? Say, may I go see?
It's so small.
I know, it's
really
gorgeous.
soft.
It is
Yeah,
gorgeous.
sad too, because the horses over there come. The friend is the
Hi, Monty. How are you? How are you today, buddy? Should we say hi to you first before we say hi to the baby? Yes. Yes. You are so big. You are so big. Are you saying hi to Raelle? Are you saying hi?
I think he's upset. They were
Hi.
They now he's not used to having a wee boy design.
Oh, you're so big. Oh, you're so big.
Must be hard to mount.
Look at you come. Yeah. Oh, you're so pretty.
Giant.
Yes, he is. Yes, you are, Monty. Yes, you are. You're making your own GIF. Going back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, you're making your own GIF. Yes, you are.
Doesn't it hurt to put the boots on?
Yeah. No. Yeah. You don't say. Okay, am I bugging you? I love when he comes. It's like peekaboo. He's like playing peekaboo with me almost. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Okay, calm down. Calm. Where's this one? This one?
Yeah, this one's the one that I wanted.
Hi.
She
How
was
are
so
you?
nice.
How are you? How are you? Oh, you're so pretty.
So this is the one that I wanted.
Yes, you're so pretty. Yes, you're so pretty. Hi, Casey. Are you eating too? Yeah, you're eating. Oh, I shouldn't touch you when you're eating. Yes, you're eating. Look at that nose. That nose is all up in my face. Yeah. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, I just want to get, when you put your hand in, you kind of got to be careful they don't move too fast. Oh, you're getting no food all out here, love. Oh, maybe we should let you eat. So soft. You're soft, Casey. Oh, look at that food. Oh, that food. I feel bad.
Should we go on to another horse?
Sure.
Let's go to this one. It has a baby.
Are you excited for the baby horse?
Yeah.
Oh, they're eating. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how big it got already. In 2 weeks. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Look how tall. Hi. How are you? Are you eating? I don't want to bug you when you're eating. You're very pretty. Very, very pretty. Yeah. The baby just had a nap, guys. The baby just had a nap, guys. Look at the little baby. There's Titan. Is that Titan? Wait, which one's that? Royal Titan. This one is Royal Titan. Yes. Yes. Look at the baby. So you have to be careful because her back legs are there, so that's why I'm being careful. Yeah, Mama's eating. And the baby's shaking her nap. Hi. 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 Are you gonna get up? Or are you gonna stay laying? You close me in here. You locked me in. I just want to see if she's gonna stand up. Are you gonna stand up or are you gonna sleep? Come here. Come see me. Come see me. Oh, there she goes to Mama. Hi. Hi, I'm okay. It's okay. Yeah, she stood up. She stood up. She's looking out the window. Beautiful.
Oh my gosh, guys, that was so much fun seeing that little baby horse and all the other horses that are so small. Like the 3 months old, and I think it was the 2 months old, and that one that was born yesterday. What? It was born yesterday? It's small for yesterday. Woo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and always remember to create your dreams into reality.